Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, which provides you with excellent power. And taking a look at the back here, we do get those nice mud flaps, tow hitch of course, backup camera. We get this nice canopy that is matched to the outside color. Got a little light back up there. You can lock it from here as well as over there, whatever you prefer. We do have some nice black accents along this vehicle as well. Heated door mirrors as well as lights on the side. And moving to the front real quick, we do have 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. We have vinyl flooring. This is your 6th additional seat with a 12-volt cup holders and 2 USBs, as well as you can lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats and manual. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 103 kilometers, 928 kilometers. Oh my, 103,928 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your volume, playback, flick forward, mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you then can go for your basic settings such as your display, trip and field, towing, off-road, and your other settings. Here we do have cup holders. You got a nice little phone slot, storage below your 6th additional seat that does have storage below as well. Got storage here, 2 USBs and a 12-volt. You do get another 12-volt here, and storage in the glove compartment. Trailer brake, trailer backup, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. You got your climate controls just right here. Got a number keypad, media, playback, pay forward, tune, and volume. Got your hazards, traction, and auto stop, auto start with storage above. And we're just going to go home on our infotainment system. And here we do have your audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities. You do get a Wi-Fi hotspot as well. Use your phone. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here. Settings such as your Bluetooth, 911 assist, and Ford Pass. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7813, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.